If you feel comfortable being alone, congratulations, you understood life. It's very peaceful to being alone. Other people are in European countries. So when you are in European countries, no one is talking to you. Everyone is minding their own business. Other people, they have got depression. They say, I want to go back to Africa because in Africa, in our communities, we are talking to each other. What in Europe, we don't talk to each other. Wise people, they know how to be alone. They are very comfortable. They know that if they want to mind other people's business, or maybe they want to be around people every time, it's very toxic and you are being gossiping each other. There is many things are happening. Even to stay alone for a long time, you are not in relationship. Other people, they feel lonely. They will end up being with wrong people, to being in relationship with a wrong person, because we have got a fear to being alone. Guys, there is peaceful to be alone with your kids and your family only. Even to stay alone, guys. That's why you saw white people, they don't talk to people. They are minding their own business, coming to work, go back home. But as black people, we are not used to be alone. Guys, if you used to be alone, you are minding your own business. And nowadays, there is Wi-Fi. People are on social media. You can watch videos on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. We are not get bothered to being alone than with people who are very toxic. Other people are in wrong relationship with wrong people, or to go back to your toxic relationship because you have got a fear to being alone. Guys, when you are used to being alone, even you don't want to be in a relationship with any person, because to be in a relationship is very stressful and you have got a fear to be alone. Guys, if you test it and use it, you understand life and you don't want to be with other people. You understand? Most of the people in Africa, when they are in European countries, guys, in Canada, UK, America, Germany, there is no that life we say is communication, or maybe you can go to the next door and stay at your with your neighbor. You are talking, laughing. No, everyone is minding their own business. If you test the kind of life people who are coming from European countries, if they came back in Africa, they don't want to be with other people because they understand to be alone every time. It's very peaceful. You can feel peaceful because no one is stressing you, especially women. Women, we are gossiping each other every time. In relationship, you are in toxic relationship, you are being stressed with your partner every time. But if you quit, you say, I don't want to be in relationship anymore, or you stay 5 years or 6 years, it's difficult to you to be in another relationship with a person because you know how to feel good to be alone.